DJI drones are on the path to getting banned. I wish I never had to say that, but it's finally become a reality. So basically what this means is the NDAA, the National Defense Authorization Act, is going to add DJI to the FCC's covered list. This just means basically that they're thinking that it could be an at-risk, because it is a Chinese company, they're thinking that it is basically trying to say it's part of the Chinese military. And so because of that, it's going to be harder to purchase them. They are saying that they are not grounding DJI drones right now, which is great because I have a plethora of drones. But that could always happen in the near future, so it is best to just be aware of that. Something that a lot of you might not know though as well is a lot of if you have FPV components, some of those are also, they use the DJI Air units, and the FCC will not protect those as well. So okay, let's clear this up. People keep saying FCC banned DJI drones. That's not true, at least not yet. Here's what's actually happening. The FCC just gave itself the power to ban or block tech from certain companies if they're seen as a national security risk. And DJI, being a Chinese company, is on that radar. There's also a new law that says by December 23rd, 2025, US agencies have to decide if DJI drones are safe or not. If they don't finish that review in time, DJI could automatically get added to something called the covered list. If that happens, the new DJI drones wouldn't be allowed to be sold or imported into the US. But there's the key part. If you already own one, you're still allowed to fly it. Nothing changes for you right now. That's the key right now. Nobody knows what the future holds. It can always be grounded. And any DJI component or part that you own may not ever be able to fly in the United States again. So basically, it's not banned right now, but the FCC now can block new DJI gear if things go south, or they said basically whenever they want.